Slugs burn more than rays from the sun. Fuck a drive-by, rather just spray you and run.
What up,
talking
Jay?
all that bullshit, motherfucker, you dumb. Your clique say you the one, your style make you my son. Matter of fact, hit you with a missile attack. Don't tell me it's raining and try to fucking piss on my back. Dog, it getting real, I hope you watch your stacks. Catch you while you on the Ave and just give you a smack. Your political, hypocritical lies, cause critical times and impact individual lives. You don't know what I know, but you see what I see. It's easier to get a prison record than GED. Politicians don't really know about this struggle. Rather sell dope to get myself out this hustle. Then you wonder why a motherfucker don't care. You wanna dance with the kid, you better come prepared. Cause I got guns for slums and yay for gums. Type of shit to make your whole entire face go numb. It's shameless, huh? Cause I'm just a brainless fuck duck. Cause I'm shooting for brains and guts. It's nuts. You claim you pump, but you scared of cuts. Keep it real, you fucking pussy, you ain't scared enough. Got smoked like a Philly when you came for Dutch. You better retire, you liar, the game is up. Let's go!
Beast mode, I be copping the brick. Came a long way from chilling on the block with the clique. In the wrong way, I never asked my mama for shit. Cause the wrong way is the way that's gotten me rich. Bitch. Beast mode, I be copping the brick. Came a long way from chilling on the block with the clique. In the wrong way, I never asked my mama for shit. Cause the wrong way is the way that's gotten me rich. I was raised in the gutter with the quarters and half smooth. Real thug nigga, but the swag is mad smooth. Off to the crib, stash dope in the bathroom. Big 4/5 mo kicked in the ab dude. Poverty was tough, so it taught me to hustle more. So I hit the booth and I flow like a reservoir. Gotta get paid for a verse or a metaphor. Shit you be saying niggas already said before. I'm a pyro, leave a nigga bones underground like a dino. So leave him sore with the rifle. With my bars, I'ma stand tall like the Eiffel. 4-4 make you lose your nose like Michael. Niggas need wordplay, better yet metaphors. And your bitch suck my dick, that's what I met her for. I need a better horse, so your mom dukes next. Hit it from the back in the studio, that's booth sex. Beast mode, I be copping the brick. Came a long way from chilling on the block with the clique. In the wrong way, I never asked my mama for shit. Cause the wrong way is the way that's gotten me rich. Bitch. Beast mode, I be copping the brick. Came a long way from chilling on the block with the clique. In the wrong way, I never asked my mama for shit. Cause the wrong way is the way that's gotten me rich. Business. It's going down this motherfucking year, man. You already know. Strictly business. Being B shit. Being B bitch. You niggas is funny, man. For real. Strictly business. 860-203 @gmail.com.